Today, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Teams from opening on startup. This is particularly useful if you find Teams launching automatically every time you turn on your computer, which can slow down your startup time and be quite annoying if you don't need the app running constantly. First, let's head over to the upper right corner of your Microsoft Teams window. You'll see three dots located near your profile icon. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will open up the main settings panel where you can customize how Teams behaves on your system. Once you're in the Settings menu, make sure you're on the General tab. This tab should be selected by default, but if not, you'll find it listed on the left side panel. The General section contains various basic configuration options that control the overall behavior of Microsoft Teams, including startup preferences. Now, within the General settings, look for a section labeled System. This section groups together settings that relate to how Teams interacts with your operating system and computer resources. It's here that Microsoft has placed the controls for managing startup behavior. Under the System section, you'll see an option called Auto-Start Teams. This is the setting that controls whether Teams launches automatically when you boot up your computer. By default, this option is usually checked, meaning Teams will open every time you start your device. To prevent Teams from opening on startup, simply uncheck the Auto Start Teams option. Click on the checkbox to remove the checkmark. Once you do this, Teams will no longer launch automatically when you turn on your computer. You'll still be able to open Teams manually whenever you need it, but it won't consume resources or slow down your startup process by launching on its own. And there you have it. By unchecking that single option, you've successfully stopped Microsoft Teams from opening automatically on startup, giving you more control over your computer's boot process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.